Hey, check this out. We got a tree right in the middle of the road, and we got parking right here.
Oh, look at that bird. Oh, yeah.
Yellow one.
I didn't want to.
All right, guys, we're back with Riley and Lysandra. We're still rental property hunting here in Playa del Carmen. Now we're gonna go check out these apartments right here. Hold on tight. We're gonna hang out in the shade here. Oh, there's a little fountain there.
There's birds taking a bath. There's literally trees in the road.
Yeah, look at that tree up there in the middle of the road.
It's cooler because of the trees.
Oh yeah, it's a lot cooler because of the trees, yeah. Absolutely.
I mean, it's nice to go for lunch.
This one might have a rooftop, actually.
Yeah, it looks like it might for sure. Okay guys, we're just gonna wait here for the realtor.
Oh, yeah.
Commercial break, hang on tight. Go grab something to drink. Okay, check out this tree in the middle of the road here.
¿Cómo están? ¿Todo bien? Un placer. Vienen a ver el departamento, ¿verdad? ¿Tienen mascota?
No, no.
Ok, perfecto, porque no puede ni entrar una mascota.
No
Perdón.
pets?
Todo bien.
No, o sea, se va a tener que quedar afuera.
Yeah.
It's okay, we're
Okay.
just looking.
¿Estáis bien? Ok, vámonos. Sí,
Oh yeah, we're coming, absolutely.
I'm not coming.
Oh, you can't go in? Even to go look around?
Yo puedo cuidar, I can carry the,
No, 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 no. He. Hola. These guys walk really fast. Oh, there they go. Okay, Jennifer wasn't even allowed to come in here because of the dog. So.
¿Hay algo español? Ok, son dos departamentos. ¿Son ahí? ¿Qué quieren? ¿De dos recámaras o una recámara? ¿Dos recámaras? Okay.
Oh, so you got a
Tengo
utility
tres.
room here, so a fridge in it.
Okay.
Oh yeah, so you got a hot water tank and you got an extra refrigerator.
Véanlo.
Okay. Oh, I like the wicker furniture. Small. Oh.
Este está en 16.000. ¿Ok?
Look at the stove.
Después tengo otro de dos recámaras que está en este mismo nivel en 15.000. Después atrás tengo otro que es igual que este, pero está en la torre de atrás, en 16.000 también. Y otro que está en 17.500 en el último nivel.
Ok, sí, lo vamos a ver todo.
Ok.
It's got one upstairs that we're gonna see. So there's two full bathrooms.
Si quieren verlo, bueno, los closets están dentro de todo amplios. Tienen, bueno,
Oh.
cocina, sí. Por ahí está todo microondas, pero si hay algún detalle que ustedes necesiten, se lo podemos conversar al propietario y lo vemos. No sé cómo lo vean.
Oh, I like that artwork. That's nice. Cool.
Sí, claro. No sé si le gustan los muebles, por eso. Más o menos. Okay.
It's a little, off balance to
Okay. Vámonos.
Oh yeah. So that's it. Yeah.
Lo dejamos adentro.
Gracias.
No, por favor.
Is there a rooftop patio?
Después aquí tenemos otro, este está en 15,000.
Okay, so this place was 16,000 pesos, and now we're gonna go check out the gym here. Oh no, we're looking at another unit. Okay.
Sí, por eso.
So the same hot water tank.
1,000 pesos menos.
Your washer and dryer would go in there. Pretty much exact same layout.
¿No te gustó?
I don't understand. This is just tiny. What is that? Only 2 burners or what? Or is that 1 burner? One burner.
Y los otros.
So this is exactly the same. It's just 2 bedrooms.
It's
exactly the same.
Uno que tiene los mismos muebles que este, por lo tanto, de nuevo no tiene sentido que lo veamos, pero tengo otro en el último nivel que a lo mejor sí les guste más. Porque tiene otro. Tiene otro tipo de sofá, otra mesa.
Okay, so they do have a rooftop patio here. Nice, this is nice. Oh, jacuzzi tub. Cool, this is kind of cool. 2 tubs.
Pero sí funciona. Tiene su asador también, en todas las áreas comunes hay también wifi.
It's got Wi-Fi up here too, Daryl.
Oh yeah. Cool. Ah, cerveza, I need one. Mucho calor. Ah,
Ahí
gracias.
vamos.
Pardon, pardon.
No, todo bien.
Okay, so your parking's here, guys. So now we're gonna go look at one that's even nicer, he said. So that rooftop patio, that was pretty sweet though. Okay, it looks like that's the gym right there. So everyone's seen a gym before. So got workout equipment in it. Weights, probably a bunch of mirrors so you can look at yourself while you're lifting the weights. And there is a shared pool here as well. So as I stated, it was 16,000 pesos. There's the pool right there. Those places were 16,000. Oh, okay, so here's the gym.
Como es así el aire
Ah,
libre, pues,
excelente.
se daña todo rapidísimo.
They're putting new machines.
Oh, okay. They're gonna put new machines in here. And again, a beautiful pool that's all for you. I don't know what it is here in a lot of these places that they have these beautiful pools and there hardly anybody's ever in
The
them.
good thing about this place too is that they have Wi-Fi everywhere. So there's free Wi-Fi outside, on the roof.
Yeah, yeah. The rooftop patio is nice. That's a really nice space up there.
Vamos a ver otro depa.
Final apartment.
Perfect.
Mira, ese está pidiendo 17,500.
Okay guys, now we're gonna go take a look at the last apartment here. Got a little seating area here, out in the shade. With all this greenery, it's quite a bit cooler here too. It's got to be 5 degrees cooler here. because of all the trees and plants.
Pasillo, pero no da un pasillo cerrado.
Sí, que nadie se
Ajá, acá por lo menos puedes ir al atardecer, se ve más, un poco más ventilado, más agradable.
Oh, okay, this place is under construction. Under construction. Oh, the same, it's exactly the same layout.
Este está más bonito. Sí, tiene un sillón más lindo, tiene, bueno, la habitación tiene televisión.
Oh yeah, this one's got a TV, got an ensuite in this one. And it's got a bathroom in here. Nice. We got an ensuite. Flat screen TV. Got a patio, little tiny patio. Look down. Look down on the pool.
Sí. Pero este, bueno, esto ya tiene internet instalado, así que yo creo que lo podemos pelear en 17 con internet.
Oh, here's your spare bedroom. Here's your bathroom.
Y luego el servicio de luz y agua. No, ajá.
That's it.
Yeah.
Whee!
I don't think you'd make it to the pool from here.
No, you might get hung up in those branches down there. Yeah.
Ah, sí. Pero tiene buena onda, buena relación. Sí. Sí, trate de devolverlo todo perfecto.
They got nice closets here.
Sí. Sí, pero después de. Ay, la
Maybe
manchita.
other side.
Bueno, pero hay un desgaste natural, ¿no? Del uso.
AC in every room. There's AC out here, right? Yeah.
Ok, vamos a valorar, tengo su número ya.
Ok.
Y cualquier decisión me
¿Se va para tu room?
No.
Ah, te decimos para tu room, perdón.
No.
Ok.
No, le dije que...
Tu casa
All right, my friends, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for following along with us today. We truly appreciate you all. And if you find our content helpful or a little bit entertaining, give us a thumbs up. Adios, mis amigos. God bless everybody out there. And peace on earth.
centro de lavado, donde hay lavadora y secadora.